Hi there, I'm Stephen Reed, Orthopaedic Surgeon with Florida Orthopaedic Associates. Today I'm going to answer some questions about knee replacement surgery. A patient from Lake Mary asked, what will happen if I don't have a knee replacement now? Excellent question. There is no rush to having a replacement surgery. It is done when we have exhausted conservative measures. I like to have my 2 meters, I tell patients, my pain meter and my function meter, that someday we reach that threshold to have a knee replacement. You really can't damage the knee further that we can't fix. We have technology today to respond to what you have in the knee to produce a successful outcome for you. So there's no rush to do it. It is when it's appropriate for that individual based on their pain and their function.